Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Brian McEwen, Vice President of Exploration and Development for Golden Arrow Resources. Welcome back to the show, Brian.
Hi, Jim. Nice to be here.
Brian, what's new at Golden Arrow?
Oh, Golden Arrow. Well, we're right now we're negotiating the shutdown. We're continuing to do that. That's been a bit of a challenge, and as per the news release we put out this week, we are making some advances in all of the countries we're working at. We've started drilling in our project in Paraguay, and that's going well. Hopefully we'll have some results out of that within the next few weeks. And we're doing a bunch of surface work on our project in Chile on the Rosales project. And we should have some more results for that coming up. And in Argentina, they're shut down pretty tight there, but we're still able to get out and do a little bit of prospecting. So we've got, we got lots going on, as well as we're still considering a bunch of different projects for M&A and acquisitions. So we're keeping really busy right now.
Brian, for people who are new to Golden Arrow, just how big and widespread is the company?
Yeah, the Golden Arrows is part of the Grosso Group. It's been working mostly in Argentina for the last 27 years. The company's had a lot of success there. It's got 4 discoveries to its name: the Guacamole project, the Navidad project, and then the project we recently monetized with SSR Mining, Chinchillas. And then our sister company, Blue Sky Uranium, has a discovery in Rio Negro province. So we've been working there continually, had successes. Our last one that we had, I mentioned, was Chinchillas, was a project that we had developed, a mine and developed in Jujuy province with SSR Mining. It was Silver Standard at the time. We were able to monetize that, and the last quarter of the project was sold in shares. The deal was made mostly a share deal and some cash. It worked out to about $44 million for us at the time. That was a share deal. Those shares have gone up by about 30 cents. So during the pandemic, we've been very fortunate to be able to leverage those shares and make about $10 or $11 million just by having those shares. Those have not been exercised. We're still holding those. I think right now the company has about 29 million in cash and cash equivalents. So no, we're sitting pretty well right now, I have to say.
What else is the company involved in, or is it just purely mining?
Well, we're not in mining. We're in exploration. We were looking at some more advanced projects. We're well staffed in our project in Mendoza, and that actually ends up being a very good center for working in that part of Latin America. So we threw out the net a little further, and now we're in Chile as well as in Paraguay and in Argentina, and we've got the money from the deal that we did with SSR Mining, so we're well financed, and things are, despite having the challenges with COVID, we are moving ahead. Where
is Golden Arrow traded?
It's traded on the TSX Venture Exchange under grg. It's traded in Frankfurt, EGA, I think it is, if anybody's trading in Frankfurt. And then it's traded over in the OTC in the U.S.
If people need more information about Golden Arrow, where should they go?
The Golden Arrow, our webpage is a good place to start, or you can call our head office and talk to Sean Perger. He's always willing to talk to anybody and give the story. That would probably be a good place as well.
And the phone number's on the website?
Yes, it is. 604-687-1828. That's our main line, and you just, navigate the machine. It'll take you to Sean.
Brian, thank you so much for the update.
My pleasure, Jim.
My guest has been Brian McEwen, Vice President of Exploration and Development for Golden Arrow Resources. I'm Jim Goddard. Our conversation took place on September 15th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.